Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. All right, Banana Hobby, the X-Fly Twin 40 F-15 Desert Camo. Gonna take her up and have some fun with her. Got a 40C 2200 4S China Hobby in there. Got the AS3X engaged, AX3X Plus engaged, nose gyro engaged. And here we go.
Timer reset.
Timer set for 3.5 minutes. Here we go. That plane is absolutely locked in. Haven't done anything with my stop or lock release rates. Got them by default, but I've set my priorities to 100. And that just seems to keep this plane locked in. As far as pitch, yaw, and roll, I just have it set at the default.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You can't really go by time until you got to see it.
Man, that plane is so locked in. I mean, hands off.
It's like your percentage on your betting. I look at the betting. You got to get the percentage. You get 25%. Yeah, I keep track of what my always balance chart and always individual chart and then final start. Yeah.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Sloppy Cupidate. Great flying little jet. Well, didn't quite do my touch and go.
We see a happy face all the time.
All right, still got 1 minute and 9 seconds.
One minute.
Our runway is less than plumb, but I tell you what, it's better than having to land on rough grass.
Motor is cold.
All right, let's take it back to the bench and talk about it. All right, we had basically 1 minute left on that timer. Let's see what kind of juice is left in the tank. I can get a hold of the lead, that is. It's buried. Not really buried, it's just my fingers aren't quite. I got too fat of fingers to fit in there. All right. 40% left, so that's a good storage rate. Let me show you my setup inside. Basically, I've got the 2200 4S all the way back. Got that much room in there. AR631 up front, antenna wrapped around. Got the AS3X Plus on board. And I didn't change the AS3X setting rates as far as pitch, yaw, and roll, just whatever came at default. But in the priority, I did change them to 100. They come at 140 by default with the initial setup. I changed them all to 100, and it just seemed to make the plane lock in just even better. But there you go, folks. That is the X-Fly Twin 40 F-15, the Desert Eagle camo, and this is Fat Guy Flies RC saying thank you, Camera Baby, for buying this for me for Christmas. I'm enjoying it. She got me the upgraded nose steering, and God bless y'all. Y'all have a good, and don't forget, say family and friends, and then F-15s. Bye-bye.